Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G57 Power, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first open the settings, then find and select Backup, Backup or Copy Data, and now mark Backup Data. Click on Turn On, and here if you are already logged in with your account, you can just choose the data that you wish to backup. In my case it's both photos and videos along with other device data. Obviously if you are not logged in with your account yet, you will have to log in, so you will have to provide your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your account, along with the password. And then the same panel will appear, just mark confirm, and that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.